Ichie, good morning.
Oh, good morning, womanizer. What are you doing in my compound?
Ichie, I'm not in your compound. I've come to see Jennifer.
So Jennifer did not tell you that she got married to one Americana and that her bride price has been paid in full? And equally that the elders have been settled adequately. You see? But I told you this. I told you that you are a fool, a womanizer extraordinaire. But you took it with a pinch of salt. Eh? Now, what it means is that all the farm work you did for Nwoka, the mother, and the gallons of water you were carrying up and down, and perhaps some logs of wood you were cutting for them and breaking for them, that they are all in vain. Yes, they have gone with the wind, just like Jennifer and Nwoka, her mother, have gone to America. It's a pity. I pity you so much in this your irreversible predicament. Leave my compound. Go. So you're still here? Hey, leave my compound. I don't want somebody to die here. It seems you are going bananas. Hi. Oh! Hi! 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 Hi. Hi. Go. Go. Hi. Go. Oh, Obi. Obi. Obi more. Obi more. Obi more.
Anywhere. Lizzie, if you see who I just saw now, Chai, your heart will just melt. I'm beginning to feel sorry for him.
And who did you see?
Ugonna. Ugonna. Yes. And I guess it was coming from Jennifer's house.
Oh, you saw him too? I saw him a few minutes ago, walking like someone that is lost, slippers in his arms. I stood as I watched him walk away to God knows where.
That would be a great shock for him. But jokes apart, Jennifer deserves a better life. She deserves a better life than being born in this village, grew up here in this village, ended up here in marriage. Check it now, it doesn't make sense. I'll not try it too. I will never try it. Look, now very soon, Obi will leave us. I heard that the husband secured a job at one hospital in Enugu. Are you serious? My own now is that this one, Dominic, has traveled. How are we going to know when they will call us for the interview?
He said he will call now. He will call us because he's still in touch with the hospital management. Me, I cannot wait to leave this village. I can't just wait to leave. Once someone is done with school, he or she deserves to, leave the village and get a better job. So I can't wait to leave here.
Lizzie, it's not about getting a better job. Also getting a cute and loaded guy like Dominic.
Must the guy be like Dominic? As for me, any cute guy, in fact, any sharp guy is okay for me. But not someone like this Ugonna that lives in this village. But seriously, that Ugonna is fine. He's handsome. He's nice. He has a good heart too. But what disqualifies him is this locality he lives in. I reject it. You cannot.
Well, you're right. But what can we do? I pray you find someone that will love him and he will love your return. As for Jennifer, that one is past tense.
Why are you crying? What is it? Huh? A fine girl like you cannot be wasting your tears now. I don't know what the problem is, but crying will not solve it. Ogene, why are you crying?
At my age, I'm still in secondary school. Because I've been repeating classes as a result of poverty.
Sorry. See the way you're crying.
I can't pay my school fees.
I know, but wasting your tears on this village road will not solve the problem. Are you sure you're telling me the truth? Are you sure that other students and your teachers are not beating you up in school? What is the problem? Talk to me.
Things are not normal for my mother and I. The school principal has asked me to go and bring the completion of my school fees. If not, I'll miss the ongoing tests and practicals as we speak if I don't return with the complete money.
Okay. What about your brothers? Your brothers, your father?
My father is late. And my brother is very little. He can't possibly do anything. My mother has sold everything. Yet we can't complete them.
How much is the money?
The practical is 1,500 naira. The school fees is 3,500.
So that is 5,000.
Yes, to complete.
Okay. First and foremost, you sort out your practical, okay? And then you pay for school fees later. You hear? Look, let me tell you something. I also wrote my WAEC, but my father was not the one that paid for me. Yes, a good Samaritan helped me. That is life. Crying yourself, crying like this will not help you. You cry, you fall sick. Biko, stop crying. Stop crying. Yes, please. Look, let me tell you something about life. You have to be positive. Stay positive at all times. Oh, you know what? Wait for me. Just wait for me somewhere there. I'll be back. I'm serious. I'll be back. I'm coming back. Just wait. I'll be back. Let me see what I can get to help you. You hear? I'm serious. I'm coming.
Sir. Oh, sir, you said you will only pay for my practical.
Yes.
I
know what I said, okay? But for now, just concentrate on your exams, okay? Pay for your practicals, pay for your school fees. Please, just focus.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, please, what is your name so that anywhere I run into you or come across you, I will call you by your name and thank you a million times. Hey, Gona. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Jennifer, right?
Yes.
No, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon. Mama, he's the one who gave me the money.
God bless you for me.
Thank you, Mama.
God bless you.
You're welcome. Take. This is all the money that I have. And tomorrow is market day. So I have divided into two. So you take this 30,000 now. Oh, and I'll use this one to go to the market. Okay? Take now. It has no form. And after form, you have to still do other things. I decided to give you extra so that before you need money again, I would have made money from the shop. Organic one. Hey, mba. Ebekwanakwa. Don't cry. Don't cry now. Don't cry. I'm here to make you happy. Ne, Jidegodo. I'm here. Talk to me. What is it? Wife, man. Did something happen? Huh?
It's it is high time I got a hostel in school.
Okay.
It is expensive going to school from the village, and the risk implication as well.
I understand that.
So Lizzie and I have decided to contribute money to getting one.
Agujakwa? Yes. Is that it?
We will also contribute money and buy gas or stove, then foodstuffs.
Is that all? How is that a problem? It is done now. Hi. Is that why you're like this? Is that why your face is like this? You know it's not a problem. You know. Huh? Lizzie, it is okay. I'll provide the money. You go and get it. Eh? Go and look for a nice place, so since the both of you will be sharing. Eh? I'll give you the money, don't worry. It is done. I'll look for the money, I'll give it to you. Eh? I'll be your pillar. I'll be your strength. Eh? I'll not be alive and watch you cry.
You are my treasure, I must be with you, and I will wipe your tears away. Oh, be mine. Not you, I love you. Hey, yeah. One day. This is what, and the oh, this is life, and the new love will come, another love will come.
Didn't I tell you to warn your son concerning how he will be following that greedy girl? Or didn't I tell you that Moka is a very, very cunning woman? Now look at what happened. Immediately that Obodo Ibo man came into the stage, they abandoned Ghana. They abandoned him. This made me to remember what happened in 1979, when I was posted to the Ministry of Transportation as a CSO. How Umaru Diko, out of cupidity, avarice, craving for money, how he embezzled and pocketed a humongous amount meant for the feeding of poor masses, and thereby sharing a negligible amount to some of us in order to gag us up. I never like it. I don't like it. It is quite repulsive. In fact, that made me to... Anyway, I'm not here to divulge the part I played in his repatriation from London. I hate avaricious people like Moka and her daughter. In fact, men should be very, very careful on how they will be dealing with material conscious women, because most of them are bereft of conscience. Nonsense.
Did you hear that? Mata, did you hear this right from Ichie Iluane? Did you hear it? Have I not been warning your brother about that girl? Have I not? But he wouldn't listen. Now look at what is happening. Look at what is happening. Yes. I told him that what I say sitting down, that he can't say it while standing. Now look at it.
Mama, I still cannot believe this. How can Jennifer be treating my brother like this? After all the love and the care? Mama, this is not possible. She cannot do this to my brother. She cannot do this to my brother. Hi.
Oh, you're still here asking questions. Okay? Please rush to the shop. Go and check your brother before he hangs himself because of this rubbish. Go!
Jennifer, you are a demon. You are so wicked.
You are still here. I said move!
Lizzie, how are you?
I'm fine. Long time no see.
School took us all the way now. You know now. Bia Lizzie, what is this thing I'm hearing about your friend?
My friend.
I don't want to believe it's true. Is it true?
Which of my friends?
Jennifer now. That she got married and she has left with her mother to America.
Mata, you see that Jennifer? That Jennifer is very wicked. Very, very, very wicked. Do you know she didn't even tell me that an American guy was coming for her? As close as we were, she did not even for a day, for once, mention it. Maybe she thought the guy would change his mind on seeing me, or I don't understand that girl. Just imagine that. Me, her friend. I heard that they've all traveled. They've all left. Congratulations to her.
Hey, this world is wicked.
Very wicked.
Jennifer, I don't know what to say now. Let me just go and look for my brother. I know his date. Let me look for him.
Poor Ugonna. Console him for me, please.
The Bible says, children, listen to your parents. They will never deceive you. But children of these days, they use cotton wool and block their ears. Yes. I have told Ugonna several times to stay away from that girl. and mind his business. But he wouldn't listen. Now look at what is happening. Rather, Ugonna went and told the girl that I hate her. Because all this while I have not seen the girl around my compound.
My sister, don't blame Ugonna that much. Don't blame him that much. He never knew that things would turn out this way. Don't blame him that much. The most important thing now is for us to know how and where he is. Sister, I have seen some people take to suicide because of bad situations like this. Yeah.
I have already sent Martha to go and look for him. I don't know what is holding her.
Sister, Ugonna is no longer a kid. He has done the mistake. And he will learn his lesson. I implore you, sister, do not start disturbing him with bad words or things that will make him or worsen the situation. Don't worsen things for him with wrong words.
Mama, did you see him?
Mama, the shop is locked too. I searched around but I couldn't find him.
Martha, then go inside and get the phone and call him.
Martha, this is very strange, honestly. Very, very strange. The topic is now all over the community. Just imagine my mom who doesn't associate with anybody. I've heard about it.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. That means even the animals in the bush have heard about it too. Jennifer did not try at all.
Wadego.
It's okay. It's okay. Please.
What did my brother not do for this girl? Ugonna will send me to go do transfer to her just to make her happy. Ugonna one day more does not look for trouble. My brother can kill for those he loves.
I know. You don't need to tell me all this. I know. Martha, it's okay. It's okay.
And all of a sudden, she has forgotten all the sacrifices. And she has abandoned my brother, Ugonna. It is okay. No problem. Ugonna pushed wheelbarrow in the market and gave only savings to that girl.
The deed has been done and she has gone far away. The only thing now is for your brother to be consoled. Hi, I don't know why some women are so greedy in life. I could still remember how he came and helped me when I was in school. How much did my father spend for one? I don't know. Does it mean I didn't see every other person? But I stuck to him because I believe in our future. I don't know why some women refuses to see tomorrow. Why did she do this thing to your brother? Why? I don't know why. Why would she be patient with him? I have seen people in poverty and later life turns out good for them. Please, my friend, I want you to stop crying.
It's okay.
Please, it's okay, Martha. It's okay. The thing there is that we should learn not to trust anyone.
Exactly.
Men, women, we all are full of disappointments, but not someone who has put his life on a line like Ugonna did. I believe God will bring someone that will love him.
Exactly.
Okay? Very sorry about what happened.
I want you to stop crying.
They say when one door closes, another one opens. Come to think of it, where is Ugonna? Where is he since then? She doesn't know.
We haven't seen him.
Martha, please. That is why you have to calm down. I want you to stop crying. Because even if you start from now, cry till next tomorrow or next year,
It will not change anything. Please. Bestie, bestie.
Is your brother back?
His number is still not reachable.
Do you know any of his friends?
But Ogona does not have any friend. But there was a time he told me about his friend called Obika. Obika. I don't have his number, Mama.
Hey, what kind of problem is this? Go to here, Bikono. You're going to hear me jiri okpo dere o. Ne. Bokani Kenna. You know, call him and tell him what is happening. That Ugonna is nowhere to be found.
Yes.
Let's see if he can tell us whether he knows his whereabouts.
Let me call him.
Ichelo, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
See, I called you to inquire whether I should cancel the date my son has already fixed for his traditional marriage. Because two good heads are better than one. See, the disappearance of Ugonna, I'm telling you, is so worrisome. Ona bago jumanya.
If I understand you very well, so you are trying to cancel a planned traditional marriage because of a loafer like Ugonna, a womanizer of the highest order, whom I have warned before time, but he did not take seriously to the advice of a revered military officer of the Civil War, a man who has mounted a no-go area with Comrade Nwawo of the blessed memory. This was when we had already captured Midwestern states, preparatory to the invasion of Lagos. If not for the likes of Ifeajona and Uko, who sold us to our traducers, that forces us to go into tactical retreat, we will have achieved it. So I'm telling you, this very marriage must go on.
You see, the reason the whole thing is confusing is that Ugonna and Ikenna are cousins.
Agreed.
And are very close.
I also agree.
Now, so to go ahead and carry on such a ceremony without Ugonna, maybe say, I don't know how everybody will look at it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Now listen to me. The present president of the nation was once out of power on 31st December 1983. He resigned from active service. Did he die? No, he didn't die. Instead, he went back to his private life. Today, he is the president of the nation again. What I'm telling you is that in a game, what I want to tell you that if there is a game between two teams and one team scores a goal, the game doesn't have to end abruptly. It has to continue. So Ikenna has to continue that very marriage. After all, I want to go now. He did not, in fact, he took my advice with a pinch of salt. Even my son, Abumneke, once committed an infraction of a high magnitude. He was thrown into jankers. After some time, he regained his freedom only to come back and continue causing me some sephagia. I charged him with a fresh case. He was thrown back there. And my resolve is that he will be there until he repents from his recidivism. So this wedding has to continue.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I say thank you very much because your explanation is just too much. Thank you for this explanation. You know what I'm going to do? I will go back to my son.
Good.
So that we can put heads together and know
the next line
of action to take. Yes, because the food preparation, canopies and everything paid for. So I don't know how we can withdraw this money.
You see, you are now saying it at last. You are saying
it is not at last, but you are here. And
you were saying you will continue.
I don't want us to.
Papa, Mama, I still intend to push forth with my marriage plans. Yes, I'm not going back. Like I told you earlier, my brother Ogonna still remains my intended best man. So the plan is to have the white wedding in the morning and then proceed to the traditional after church service. Though my brother has not been feeling fine, but so the lifetime I left, I think he's been recovering. So I'm hopeful he will be fit for that day.
This is not a small issue. That girl didn't do well. I don't know what is actually wrong with the young women of today.
Is that not why most people are trapped in so many ways? Not everybody would take this kind of thing lying low. She just did hers and go free. Another will do and won't go free.
She even had the guts to call Ugonna, asking him to send his account number so she could send him 10 million naira.
For what? After killing him? Because he didn't die after all.
Tell your brother Ugonna to collect money. He should collect money. After all, he spent money on her. He should collect the money.
Mama, we are not poor.
It's not about being poor.
Listen. Everything is not money. Eh? That girl didn't do well at all.
We know.
Eh? How can somebody be suffering, struggling, making sure that you lack nothing, only for you to stab him? Eh? I don't want to curse anybody, but all I know is that whatever one sows, that he should reap.
That's true.
It's true. No.
Stop now. Mama?
You're welcome.
You shouldn't be doing this. Why are you crying? Huh? Mama? Careful. Somebody should talk to me now. Martha. Okay, talk to me. Why are you crying? Ugonna. Ugonna is in my house now.
What?
Yes, he's at my place. As a matter of fact, he's recovering. It's better. He's at my place.
Hey. God. Brother Ike, you don't understand. You don't know how long we've been trying his number and he keeps saying switched off.
So is that why you are crying? Mama Nebi, sorry Nebe. Don't you know her health condition?
Brother, you don't even know what's been happening, no. Mama's BP has been very high. If not for the treatment she has been taking, would have been saying another story by now. I've been so worried and confused.
Mama.
Wait. You mean Ugonna
Ugonna, my son has been in your
Mama,
house all this while.
Will I lie to you? He's in my place and he's doing fine. Mama Matogazi. You only had to take a break. He alone because he was avoiding blame games. Huh? He never listened to you when you debunked the idea of him getting married to that girl. Huh? He's only traumatized. My brother is in shock. But none of them, that's not the... So, Mama, is that why you've been crying? Huh? I don't like this look.
That girl can never kill my son.
God forbid.
She can never kill my son, Mabumwam. Hey. She is not worth his troubles. All that matters is that we're gonna have us and we have him. Yes. We appreciate his efforts upon this family. At least from that little shop that he opened, he can be able to take care of this family. Oh. Even see his sister through her education. We appreciate him. All credit goes to both of you. But especially you. Hey! All your efforts towards Uganda.
It's the least I can do for my brother.
God will bless you.
Don't mention it.
Thank you. The mistake has been made. Life goes on.
Life goes on.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Mama, I've also resolved. After all this trauma, my brother is not going back to that shop. Gona needs change of environment. Yes, because I doubt if he can stand the trauma of people trolling him. This is so heavy on him. I will opine the changes and environment. In fact, I will see to it. Okay? Don't worry, don't worry.
You see why I said it shall be well with you.
Mama, don't mention it. And I don't like to say this, but this girl in question had the guts to call my brother, telling him that she's going to repay him 10 million naira for inconveniences.
What are you talking about?
Mama, if you go to Pali, yeah, no way, 10 million naira. But I trust to go now. He debunked that idea, and I succumbed. I debunked that idea. We are not hopeless people. Oh, yeah, the chama. Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Yes. He spent on her. If he likes, let him take the money. If you don't like, let him forget about it.
Mama, my brother does not need that money. Brother Ogona does not need that money. Let her go with that money. He will make 10-fold of that money. Let her go with the money.
Making Mama happy.
You see that girl? She is an evil girl. Yes, she is evil.
So, the hospital took both of you and couldn't take me. Dominic should have told me to go look for a job somewhere else now.
Come see. Come see. Take it easy now. They will still call you.
What did I even gain now? In fact, what did you all even gain? From spoiling Jennifer's mind to getting married to Ugonna. Money, I no see. Job, I no see. Or tell me, has Jennifer got any of this?
Come see, don't say that. When did she travel, Kwanu? I believe she needed time to settle down. Besides, Dominic said she will be taking some few courses. So she's probably busy.
She has called me.
Really? She called me and she's even regretting leaving Ugonna for Dominic. Her conscience is already disturbing her. That she gave what she kept for Ugonna over the years to another man. But I told her to relax, you know. But we didn't do anything bad now, did we? We didn't. We only pushed her into marrying someone that we feel is better for her. That's it now. I only have small regret because I know if Ugonna is my brother, I wouldn't have, you know. But life goes on.
I shouldn't have been part of this anyways. Because last, he didn't pay me.
Kamsi. Kamsi. Kamsi, what is it now? What is her problem? They will still take her now. They said it's turn by turn, right?
So I will invite a few people with me to go and see the girl's paper. At least so my son can lay claim over the child. Eh? My greatest happiness is that the girl has succeeded in calming my son down.
That's right.
Do you know that he doesn't smoke weed again? Yes. Even the thread which he learned,
Yes.
which before now he has jettisoned, he has now focused once again on it. I'm elated.
I mean, that is a good news.
Exactly. Yeah,
You see why women are important,
I agree with you.
especially those that have home training.
Home training is the word. Home training. Not like Moka and her daughter, who don't even have a conscience at all. Eh? Their conscience is seared with hot iron. Eh? Their conscience is no longer sensitive. That's by the way. What about our son Ugonna? It seems to me he left the village immediately after that incident.
He is with Ikobi's son. Didn't you see him the day he wedded? Eh? He was there. He didn't do much. Eh? I saw him and I believe he is moving on with his life.
Of course, that's the right thing to do. Do you know that the Dominic himself lost the mother? We were even told to prepare for condolence.
Is that right?
Yes, I equally heard that Jennifer, the daughter, and the Moka will be flying home for the burial proper.
Jennifer already given birth in America. Eh? Hey!
You are sounding quite Rip Van Winkle. In other words, you are living in yesterday. Yesteryear even. Eh? Now let me tell you what happened. Jennifer immediately they set their foot on American soil like Christopher Columbus. The husband did not give her the chance to drink water and drop cup. The process of fecundation or what at your level might be called reproduction started in earnest. I think they sent the picture of her daughter to Abumneme, my son. Yes, I remember. They did.
Ichilane, there's something you don't know.
Tell me.
I think that man paid the bride price and he settled Umonna very well. Eh? So he can do his thing anytime, any day, anyhow.
I know that's the direction you are driving
But
at.
by the way, that is by the way. Now, how do we go about the condolence? Any death yet?
That has been said. But I have to confirm from my son. Because both Nwoka and her daughter don't communicate with me again. It's like they see me as a kind of wheel on the clog of their progress. So I don't care. I have to continue doing the things which I think is right.
Ichuilani,
Yes.
I must tell you seriously, you didn't do well to your brother's wife. I mean, by now, you're supposed to be eating on a golden plate.
All this, I am enjoying my pension very well. When I say very well, I mean very well.
I know you.
I don't care about Moka and her daughter. Even if the son who is serving one of my in-laws
Yes.
decide to follow them, fine. I don't care a hoot.
But Ichilani,
Yes.
you have to be amended. Sopedal somehow.
Please,
Eh?
please, please. The
Sopedal.
event has overtaken that. Stop sounding like a broken record. Event has overtaken that. Event has overtaken that.
Mama. Oh, my baby. How are you doing today? You've eaten, right? Let me see your face. Wow, you're taking your bath. Say thanks to
Yeah, she's
mommy.
had a bath.
She had a bath.
Who be that now? What's the apple? Good evening, no.
What's the apple?
I beg, no vex. I get message for that on me.
Now make you want scatter my gate. What's the apple?
No vex. I know so I got mama died, so they send me message make I come give her. Check.
Check.
Check. I don't want to come inside. I just want to give her a check. Make her dey go. Condolence check.
Now make you the scatter my sleep.
Sorry, sir.
What you say your name be again?
My name is Emmanuel.
Okay. Oh yeah, give me.
He came for love with a pure heart, with a pure mind, no evil attached. Oh.
Jesus!
Uganda!
Mercy. Why? Tell me what way I offended you. Jennifer, tell me. What did I not do for your family? I was naked because of you. I gave you my first 5,000 naira just so that you stay in school and have a future. And what did you do? You stabbed me in the back. Turned around. Put a knife in my heart. You wanted to kill the one who truly loves you. How about the plans that we made? How about the promises that we made to each other? How about the things that we hoped for? You and I had plans for a beautiful life. And you took that away from me. Or you think that I am here to joke?
Go. Hey, spare me.
You greedy. Think I am here. Talk.
Please.
You greedy, cult bastard. You wanted to go to America, huh? You wanted to go to America? Huh?
Go. My baby!
Into my life.
Please.
See how you end up.
Oh, please. Come.
We had a pact. We agreed that you and I are in this together forever. I kept my part of the bargain. You took my life away. Farewell, Jennifer.